central New Mexico. For today and tonight, heat advisory has been issued for portions of east central and southeast New Mexico. High temperatures will range between 102 to 107 degrees. Record to near record high temperatures are expected across the eastern third. And looking further ahead for the next 7 days, Thursday through Tuesday, continued hot temperatures with warm overnight lows on Thursday, although they should be slightly lower.